Well, I'd like to use this design to illustrate the value of using a template in the gCADPlus environment, and it's well worth spending the time to set up a template. So let's use this as a little example. If I come back here to model, I've been on a sheet labeled Plan Architectural B. You can see that tab there can be given a meaningful name, and here's the design. I'm now in model space, and notice that this is a template we're building for a gCADPlus user in the United States. Notice that our dimension style shows feet and inches, and our scale bar and a north indicator are all here. So that's model space. But notice that up here I've put a whole series of symbols that were used in that design, but they all have some additional information associated with them. Here's a symbol that is currently tagged for Hydrangea paniculata, but all of these symbols here have species names associated with them, and I've run a plant schedule using gCADPlus and plant schedule, and run or draw the standard schedule or update it. So there's quite a lot going on behind the scenes here in this design. But I'd like to remind you that when you pick File and New, gCADPlus will always pop up this panel which enables you to choose drawings, and there's also a DIR little tag here, which means that you can set up a template drawing that is tuned just for you and your particular landscape design business. So if we wanted to, let's imagine that we've finished this design, and I'm going to erase that part of it, and so we're left really with just an example of a schedule and some of these symbols over here. And we'll go File and Save As, and I'm going to put it into my C drive. And I've created a folder called TerraCraft, and there was our original TerraCraft template. So I'll just call this one, I'll change the name to TerraCraft template 01. You may remember that when we went File and New, we did have an opportunity to set the directory for our templates. So we're changing the directory for the templates to TerraCraft, and we'll say OK. Now let's do a brand new job, and we just take that template, and there we are. Now I want it. That's the wrong one, isn't it? I wanted the template to remove this. So it was template 01 I wanted. So let me just pause and fix that. Well, I needed to stop and restart gCADPlus, and now I can see that template 01. So let's say OK. And gCADPlus picks that drawing up. It should be the one with the previous design missing, and it has. So we're in model space now. We can build our drawing, and whatever we build in this area will not show the design because we clearly haven't done it yet, but it is showing the title block and a view of the plant schedule. So that process of developing a template, I've called it template I've called it TerraCraft 01 because we would work on this and develop it and get it working just the way your design consultancy likes. So I hope that helps a little explain the background to our thinking with giving you control over the template and its location.